Welcome back to the Car Updates. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, a car that blends heritage with prestige in a way that few others can match. The 2025 Toyota Century isn't your average luxury sedan. It's not even trying to compete with European giants like Mercedes-Benz or BMW. Instead, it stands apart as Japan's ultimate chauffeur-driven symbol of sophistication. And in this video, we're going to explore exactly what makes the latest Century such a rare and remarkable machine. From the moment you set eyes on the 2025 Century, it communicates something that most modern cars don't: quiet confidence. The styling is almost deliberately understated, yet every line, every chrome trim piece, and every panel gap feels obsessively engineered. The rear of the car is where the subtle grandeur becomes most apparent. You'll notice elongated taillights, precision-cut chrome badging, and a sculpted trunk that blends seamlessly into the rest of the body. The black exterior, particularly when paired with the polished 20-inch wheels, exudes a ceremonial elegance that has been refined over generations. One of the most striking things about the Century isn't what it tries to show off, it's what it hides. Under that long hood lies a 5.0-liter V8 hybrid powertrain, a decision that combines traditional luxury car muscle with modern environmental sensibility. This engine produces around 425 horsepower, but don't expect a performance sedan experience. The power delivery is ultra-smooth, almost silky, designed to minimize intrusion into the cabin and deliver seamless acceleration for both the driver and passengers. In fact, the 2025 Century isn't really about the driver at all. This car is designed for the person in the rear seat. Open those solid, weighty doors, and you'll find a rear cabin that rivals first-class airline seating. Reclining leather seats with massaging functions, powered footrests, a full infotainment control suite, and thick carpeting designed to mute road noise all create an environment that feels more like a private lounge than a car interior. Even the headliner uses a specially woven fabric to enhance sound insulation and visual warmth. You'll also notice that the craftsmanship inside the Century reflects Japanese values of detail and refinement. Real wood trim, hand-stitched leather, and exquisite panel fitment dominate the cabin. The controls feel deliberate, even analog in places, favoring tactile engagement over touchscreens for the sake of long-term durability and ease of use. The digital screens that are present are crisp, high-resolution, and blend in naturally without disrupting the sense of calm and control. From a technology standpoint, Toyota has equipped the 2025 Century with a suite of safety and driver assist systems. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, pre-collision systems, and a surround view camera. But again, the focus is on subtlety. These systems operate in the background and rarely demand the driver's attention unless absolutely necessary. That's part of the car's philosophy, to remove stress rather than just deliver thrills. One of the most unusual things about the Century is its exclusivity. It's not widely available outside Japan, and even domestically, Toyota doesn't mass-market this vehicle. It's often reserved for dignitaries, corporate executives, and individuals who seek luxury without the flash of more mainstream premium badges. That makes the Century more than just a luxury sedan. It's a cultural statement. A car that says status doesn't always need to shout.